Hello friends, in this video we will discuss different cases of projection of line. The first two cases already I have discussed in previous video, but in this video I have tried to club the majority of the cases. Now let us discuss one by one. The first case is line inclined to horizontal plane and parallel to vertical plane. Here line is inclined to horizontal plane and parallel to vertical plane. In this case, to draw its front view, we are supposed to project the endpoints on vertical plane and we get its front view A dash B dash above XY. This line is XY. This is vertical plane, this is horizontal plane. What are the projections? XY line and front view, it will be above XY with the true length and inclination with HP. This point is A dash, this point is B dash, and what about top view? Top view will be horizontal, that is parallel to XY, and it will be below XY. A, B. And original line is what? Original line is capital AB. Original line is capital AB. What was this case? Line inclined to HP and parallel to VP. The second case is line parallel to horizontal plane and inclined to vertical plane. In this case, how to draw the projections? See, to draw its top view, we are supposed to project the endpoints of line AB on horizontal plane such that we will get point A and B, and this AB will give top view with true length. This is top view with true length, and to project and to draw the front view, we are supposed to project endpoints on vertical plane. We will get its front view with apparent length. Front view is apparent length A dash B dash, and top view it will give true length AB and inclination with VP. This is the inclination with VP. Third case is, what is the third case? When line inclined to HP and it is in VP. See, suppose this is the line, it is in vertical plane and inclined to HP. If we try to draw its top view, it will fall on, as it is in VP, it will fall on XY line. When you try to draw its top view, it will be on XY line. It will come on XY line, and the line itself will act as front view. There is no question of projecting the endpoints on vertical plane because line is in VP. Therefore, line itself will act as front view and top view will fall on XY line. These are the projections for this case when it is in VP and inclined to HP. This is A dash B dash, inclination with HP, XY line, XY line, project the ends. This will give top view. This is front view with true length and inclination. Now, next case is line is in HP and inclined to VP. As it is in HP, when we try to draw its front view, we'll get its front view on XY line. If you keep this line on horizontal plane and after projecting the endpoints on vertical plane, we will land on XY line. Therefore, what are the projections of line when it is in HP and inclined to VP? Top view, the line itself will act as top view with true length and inclination, and its front view will come on XY line. Its front view will come on XY line. AB is a top view and A dash B dash is a front view with apparent length. This was front view, this was top view, front view with true length. Okay, so far we have discussed 4 cases. What is this? Front view. Now, very simple case. When the line is parallel to both the planes, this is the case. If you project the endpoints, you will get a horizontal line as a front view with true length. There will not be change in the length in front view as well as in top view. When we draw the vertical projectors, once again we will get a true length in top view, and if you show it in two-dimensional plane as a solution of problem, then it will be somewhat like this. Front view, A dash B dash, it will be parallel to XY, and the top view is also parallel to XY with the true length, when it is parallel to both the planes. Front view, true length with true length, top view with the true length and parallel to XY. Now, next case is line perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. This is the case. See, this is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP. When we try to draw the top view, we are supposed to project these two ends on horizontal plane. As this line is vertical, the projectors through both the ends will fall on single point. Means these projectors will coincide in top view. That's why we get A and B at a single point. That is, the top view will be just a point. The top view will be just a point. A comma B. Top view is a point. And what about front view? When you project this on vertical plane, it will give true length, and moreover it will be perpendicular to XY. Perpendicular to XY. This end is A dash, this end is B dash. Of course, this will give you true length, and this is front view, and this point is top view. You'll get true length in front view, and top view is a just point. If it is perpendicular to VP, its front view will be just a point. Okay, and what about top view? Top view will be perpendicular to XY, and it will give you true length. It will give you true length. True length. This is top view, and this is front view. This is front view with the true length. This is top view. Okay, front view, true length, front view, top view with the true length. Okay, everywhere we will write. What is this? Front view. This is top view with the true length. This is front view with the true length. Top view with apparent length. Front view with apparent length. Top view with true length. Okay. Front view with apparent length. Top view with apparent length. Okay. Now, we were discussing this case. Top view will be perpendicular to XY, and what is this point? A, B, and its front view will be just a point, A dash, B dash, and this top view will give you true length, and this front view is just a point. Now, when the line is perpendicular to HP and it is in VP, that time when you try to draw its top view, both A and B will coincide, and will come on XY line as it is in VP. If you project both the ends, the top view of both the ends will fall on XY line. What is this case? The line itself is a front view because it is in VP. A dash, B dash. Of course, this will give you true length. This is front view. And what about top view? This is the top view. A comma B. This is front view. Now, last case, the line is in horizontal plane. When you project it on vertical plane, you will get its front view. Both the points A dash, B dash will coincide, and projectors, horizontal and projectors, and this line itself will act as top view, and it will give true length. It will give true length because it is in HP, means as good as parallel to HP. What are these points? A and B. Once again, let us revise all cases. If the line is parallel to VP inclined to HP, we will get its true length in front view with inclination. Okay, and we will get its apparent length in top view, and that apparent length will be parallel to XY. If the line is parallel to HP and inclined to VP, we will get its true length and inclination in top view, and we get its apparent length in front view, and that apparent length will be parallel to XY. If the line is in VP and inclined to HP, its top view will fall on XY line, and the line itself will act as front view, and it will give true length with inclination. Now, next case is when the line is in HP and inclined to VP, then its front view will fall on XY line, and this front view will give apparent length, and the line itself will act as top view, and this top view will give true length with inclination. Now, when the line is parallel to both the planes, front view and top view will give true lengths, and both the views will be parallel to XY. Common sense, very simple. And when the line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, then front view will give its true length, and it will be perpendicular to XY. And what about top view? Top view will be just a point. And when the line is perpendicular to VP, its front view will be just a point in which A dash and B dash will coincide, and top view will give its true length, and that line will be perpendicular to XY. If the line is perpendicular to HP and is in VP, then line itself will act as front view with the true length, and a top view will fall on this XY line with A and B coinciding points. When it is in HP and perpendicular to VP, the line itself will act as top view with the true length, and when we draw its front view, it will fall on XY line with A dash and B dash points coinciding. That is, front view is just a point. How many cases we have discussed in this combined diagram? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it for this video. I hope you must have understood this concept very well. All these concepts, basics, are required to solve problems. You must have seen I'm always not in hurry to teach the problems, because once we understand the basics, we can solve any problem, any sort of problem. That's why we must focus on understanding the concepts first. Then there is no fear of facing any problem. Thank you. We will meet again in the next video with problems, because whatever theory we have covered, that is enough to solve the problems as far as the line is inclined to one plane and parallel to other. The advanced step is what? when the line is inclined to both planes. That time we will get apparent lens in front view as well as top view, that we will see later on. First we will cover the polytechnic level problems, then we will go to degree level, that is oblique line which is inclined to both the planes, in which the front view as well as top view is apparent with aberrant inclinations. Thank you. Bye bye.